What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're watching for the very first time, welcome. My name is Toby. Welcome to another color blend video. In today's video, we are going to be doing a color blend that was requested by LOD. She actually requested for this during our 31 days of blend, but I already had like a list of blend requests that I wanted to make. So I was like, you know what? Let me just shelve this, and then when we are done with our 31 days of blend, we'll just get into it. So she requested that we blend a color violet and silver, and crazy enough, when I got this, I actually thought that I already had it up. But before we get into that, as you can see, the color violet is a lot longer than the color silver, so we are going to be doing an ombre blend kind of thing. I actually do have a detailed ombre blend tutorial on my channel already, so I'm going to link it in the description box and also at the end of this video, and also just put it on the screen for you guys in case you want to see it. The color is beautiful, but crazy enough, I don't even remember the colors that I blended, but I'm just going to put it in the description box for you guys if you would love to see it. It is beautiful. Now, as I was saying, when I got this request, I actually wanted to reply and say, hey girl, I actually already have this blend on my channel already, but then my mind just said, why not just check it out first before I tell her, you get me? So I went to my channel and I realized that what I did was a violet and 613 blend, that's blonde. So I was like, oh, how come I don't have color silver and violet or purple on my channel? So I was like, okay, let's just do this, and I love how it turned out. Now for extension that I'm using, you guys already know I'm an expression baby. If you are new here, let me just tell you now, I'm an expression baby. If you see me blending on this channel, trust me that I'm using braiding extension from the brand Expression. I don't know, I just feel like it is the best of the best of the best, and that's on period. Okay, so yeah, you can use any extension of your choice, but I'm using Expression, and you, of course, you know that like different brands have their own shade of each color, if that makes sense. This is purple from Expression. If you get from another brand, it might not be as deep as this, it might not be as light as this. They just have their own thingy. Now the silver is color 60, also from Expression. You can get it from your local shop or maybe order online. Anyhow you want to do it is fine. And then for quantity, I am using the exact same quantity of color violet as well as color silver. So if you are a returning viewer or a returning subscriber, you know that we love to do like different ratios of the colors. Like in this case now, I could have done more of purple and less of silver, and then less of purple and more of silver. But for this video, I just decided to like do the same quantity of both colors, and then at the end I am going to braid it on a mannequin head. You guys, a lot is changing, if that makes sense. Yet a lot is going on, a lot is changing, and I'm loving it. You guys know that I just braid a piece of hair and then just attach it to a mannequin, but this time I actually do have a mannequin with me, so I am going to be making knotless braids on the mannequin and also traditional box braids. Now for the knotless braids, I'm going to show you what it looks like if you tuck in your hair while braiding with this extension, and then I'm also going to show you how it looks when you don't tuck in your hair while you're using this extension. And then I'm also going to show you how the color just transitions into from the mix of silver and violet to just purple or violet. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, if you love what you're seeing, do subscribe if you are not subscribed already. I mean, we always have a very good time on this channel. Over here we love to post color blend videos, we post hair tutorials, we post fun content, this and that here and there. You get what I am saying? So join the family, hit the subscribe button, and then turn on post notification if you would love to be informed when next another video comes up. Also, if you have like a video request or say a color blend request, just drop them for me in the comment section, and I will definitely do that for you guys. Now another thing that I love to tell my subscribers, in case you are new here, I'm sure the OGs already know, over here we love to blend completely, like blend till our hands drop literally. I hate to see like individual colors in my blends. I just feel like it looks tacky. I mean, look at this, look at how pretty it is looking. I feel like if I can see one whole chunk of one color, it just doesn't look put together. And I love it when my blends are like well blended. It just looks good. All the blends are like, all the colors are like well incorporated. I mean, it's a blend for a reason. You're supposed to blend it so it looks like one new color. If you can still see like a huge chunk of one color, then that is not a blend. I don't know what you're doing. Now this is what it is looking like, you guys. I am living for it. Like, it is literally looking like lavender right now, and I love it. So moving forward, I'm just going to get into braiding. So first of all, I'm going to prep the extension how I would prep it when I want to make hair for my client. Now this actually makes work a lot faster for you if you are a braider, or even if you make your hair yourself. And I have this video on my channel already. I'm also going to be linking in the description box for you guys. And yeah, let me know if you guys would love to see like a detailed knotless braids tutorial, you guys. And don't worry about the angle. I'm going to bring it a lot closer just so that you guys can see what it looks like. So for this one, I'm making sure that I am tucking in the mannequin hair, and then the next one that I'm going to do, I'm not going to tuck it in, and then the third one will just be the regular traditional box braids. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, this is the one where I will not tuck in the client hair, or rather the mannequin hair, just so that you guys can see what it looks like in different situations. You get me? So here is everything. Look at how it is looking. I am loving it. If you watched till this point, drop me a flower emoji in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys, what I want to see if you guys actually watch my videos till the very end. And I also want to thank you guys so much for all the love and the support. You guys, we are monetized. Yay! I'm so excited. I have a detailed video coming up on my monetization process. And yeah, this is how the color just transitions. You can see how the transitioning is. For the knotless braid, the transition is a lot smaller, but for the box braid, it's transitioned a lot faster. That is because I just fed in the extension once, so the length, it is like true to length. For the knotless braids, I had to like keep feeding in more extension, so of course the length would not be like equal. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, we have come to the end of the video. If you do enjoy what you watched, don't forget to like give it a thumbs up, drop a heart, a flower emoji in the comment section below, and yeah, subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Share this video to people that might need it. And if you do try this color out, tag me on Instagram. My Instagram link and my social media links will be on the screen. So yeah, that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.